Good morning, everybody. We are going to make some peanut butter muffins, and you can put chocolate chips in them or you can leave them out. I'm going to put the chips in. I'm going to pan the camera down, so we'll get started. So don't go away. I'll be back. Okay, here we go. You want to put the ingredients in order, and let's get started. We want 1 3/4 cups of flour, and I'm using King Arthur. That's all I use for breads, cooking, everything, pies, you name it, that's what I use. And then you want 1 1/4 cups of sugar, just like that. Then you want 1 teaspoon of baking powder, right here. Just like that. And let's see, then you want 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I use pink Himalayan. You can use whatever you'd like. And then 1 cup of milk. But before we put the cup of milk in, I'm just gonna blend this up just a little bit. I'm gonna use my mixer anyways, but I'm just gonna blend it right now. Just like that. Okay, then we're gonna get back and we're gonna put 1 cup of milk in, and this is whole milk. 1 cup of milk. And then you want 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And see how slick that comes out? What I do is I spray the inside of my bowl or whatever I'm using, and then I spray the utensil as well. It makes it a whole lot easier. Just like that. Okay, and we need 1 egg. There she goes, just like that. And 1 teaspoon of melted butter. Nothing tastes better like butter. Okay, and we're gonna mix it up now. Get everything out of the way here. Here we go. Wow, this bowl barely fits it. I wanted you to be able to see what I was doing. That's why I chose this bowl. Just like this. Oh, batter looks nice. Just mix it up really, really well. Real nice batter. Oh, it smells really good too. I had some peanut butter powder I should have put in. Better yet, I also have some chocolate. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use some chocolate chips. Get this out of your way. And I'm just gonna stir in. I'm gonna start with a few and see how it looks. Just like this. And then you want to heat your oven to 400, and then you want to bake it for about 20 minutes. You should check it in 20 minutes. Oh, what the heck, I'm dumping that in. That's about 1/2 cup. I do what I think will look good. Just like this. I was going to use my big muffin tin, but I guess I put it down cellar and my legs are a little tired from walking so much yesterday. So many stores we went to. But I got a lot of good exercise in. That's the main thing. Okay, just like that. Then I have some muffin tins here. And I just have the small ones at the moment. I would prefer bigger, but it's okay. It's all good. I'm gonna have 1 of these for a late afternoon snack. And then Ray will get them gifted to him to take to work. And if anybody wants one, they may have one. If they don't, they're lost, because I know how good they are. I found this in my recipe box that I don't hardly ever use. So I thought, why not give it a try? I know it's been years since I've been in that box. So if it's in the box, I know I've made it and it's good. Should have reserved a few chips to put on top. Oh well, it is what it is. And it will taste yummy as we go. Looks like it's gonna make probably a little over a dozen, by guessing. And you can top it off with some crystal big sugar on top. I would, but I'm trying to cut down a little. So I guess I won't this time. Because if everybody knows, I like to eat, and Mr. R likes to eat. We like our desserts a lot. I'm topping it right off to the top so I can have nice big ones. Hopefully they'll come out nice and big. Oh, I guess it's just gonna make a dozen the way I'm topping them. Most of the time on your muffin mixes, you only wanna put about 3/4 of the batter. But me, I'm gonna go for the dare. Just like this. Boy, it's awful windy in Maine, but it's warm. I don't know the temperature, but we got a big storm coming in Tuesday. And we think we have some snow coming in this weekend. So we just upgraded. We just bought ourselves a new 8,000 watt generator. So that will be nice. Not that we really need it, but we will have it. You never know when you live in Maine. You got to be prepared. Okay, I'm going to poke this in the oven, and then I'll bring you back. And this is what's going in at 400 for 20 minutes. So, time for a tea break. Well, hi there, I'm back, and these are the muffins. Didn't they come out good? Whoops, I've kind of got my camera in a wonky way there. Look at this. I'll also take a picture. This one got a little dark. This is the first time I've used my oyster little like confection oven. You can do pies and breads and all sorts of things in it. So, let's get started here, and we're going to test it. I tested it a little while ago, and I was looking for my toothpick, and the chocolate chips inside was still really warm. So what you want to do is you want to take a toothpick, and you want to, let me pick this up, and you want to go right down the center, and we'll see it come out clean. There's nothing there. This was from the chocolate chip earlier, but you just poke it right down, and it comes out clean. So I'm gonna do a taste test now. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below. And I think you'll like these. I cooked them for 20 minutes, and maybe in my oven, this oven that I just used for the first time on these, I may go like 18 minutes. Look at that yummy chocolate chip. Look at this. I'm gonna break it apart. And look, and you don't need to put the chocolate chips in. It's just, we like things sweet. And guess what? When I went by to put it in the oven, look what's on top. Sugar. I'm like, I can't have muffins without sugar. So I did. Look how moist that is. Oh, let's go. Very good. Very, very good. Definitely got to make it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Everything will be in the description box down below. And you never know when I'm going to have them on my videos. I didn't even know. It was 2 o'clock this afternoon. I still didn't know. So I said, well, this is going to be it. So it's peanut butter muffins. You can add chocolate chips if you want. Now, if you look in my other videos, I did a shout out, and I do them on Wednesdays. So be looking, because you never know, you might be on the shout out list. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. We got a storm coming in, I guess, tomorrow. So you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. So we'll see you tomorrow, and God bless. Bye now.